name is Miss Teresa. I'm with the Box Springs Library, and you join me for Foodie Friday. Today we're going to make a dessert dip. It is a Oreo cream cheese dip. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we are going to do our Oreo dip. It is perfect for cookies or pound cake or fresh fruit. Definitely perfect for Valentine's for a little dessert. So super easy to make, and it only takes 3 ingredients. So you're going to need a block of cream cheese. You're going to need a tub of whipped cream. This is extra creamy. You can get any kind you want. And you're going to need a pack of Oreo cookies and cream instant pudding, okay? So the first thing you need to do is get your cream cheese and get it to room temperature so it's very soft, very pliable. Normally at the house, I would use a mixer, a hand mixer, but I don't have that here. I forgot to bring it with me. That's one of the reasons why you definitely want it to be nice, soft room temperature, because it's easier to mix that way, and you can just do it with your hand. Well, with a spoon rather. So let's take this off. I always have such a hard time getting these off. There we go. In. Now you don't have to use this whole tub. You can use as much or as little as you want. Just take a scoop. And usually I do this in layers, so I'll mix one batch of the whipped cream, and then I'll see how much I have. If I want more, I'll add more. And this is so delicious, so rich. That mixed in. I think we need some more whipped cream. So we're going to take the other half of that. Now you can see I still have about a fourth left, so we're just going to see how we're doing, see if we need more. We're having a bridal shower or a baby shower, this is also a great dip for that as well. If you're doing a brunch or whatever, that way you can have the pound cake cut in little cubes or stuff like that. So all right, so that's our mixture there. Let's move my trash pile over this way. Now we're going to get our pudding mix. Now, if you don't like Oreos, that's another story, but if you wanted to do a chocolate pudding, you could. So just keep that in mind if you don't particularly like the Oreo pudding. And again, like we did the whipped cream, we're going to do them in sections, okay? This is perfectly acceptable to serve as soon as you make it. It's better if you give it a couple hours in the refrigerator. That way the flavors can really marry together. top this with some fresh crushed Oreos on the top. That looks great as well. That's usually what I do, but I was in a rush and forgot my pack of Oreos. No, how dare I? Right, that is your Oreos and cream dessert dip. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday. I hope you had fun making the Oreo cream cheese dip. It's a perfect addition for date night, for making combined with fresh fruits, cookies of your choosing, a pound cake, anything like that. So I hope you had fun and enjoy your dip. Till next time, bon appetit. GoPro, stop recording.